Here is the high intensity light fixture. This can be hung from the ceiling in any room of your home. Maybe you've got extra counter space in your kitchen or laundry room, an extra bedroom, or an insulated garage. All those places would be great for this light fixture. It's about 48 inches long and 14 inches wide, so it covers quite a large growing area, and its frame is made out of powder-coated aluminum, and it feels pretty light. It holds 3 full-spectrum 54-watt energy-efficient fluorescent T5 bulbs. That is a mouthful. These bulbs can last for up to 10,000 hours of use and provide 50% more light than comparable fixtures with 2 T5 bulbs, which makes it great for starting seeds, flowers, and even for fruit production. It seems to me that with the ability to hang it, it makes it extremely versatile for most homes. It has a 4-foot cord though, so you may require the use of an extension cord if the outlet isn't nearby. It's best to have all your grow lights in a position where they can be raised or lowered depending on the growing situation, so having this set up on a pulley system is ideal. This specific pulley system is sold separately from the fixture. It has carabiner style clips and 6-foot-long cords. I see this system as an ideal choice for somebody who wants to up their game from the standard countertop system, but doesn't really want to fully commit to a really large system.